Yes. Fantasy world, you see me? Me I try showing you some me can't come looking normal today, no get cause guess who me I talk about you now? Hey, make you listen in the background if it about 2 seconds. Me not lie. If you not find out who by now, me I tell you. A ninja in bad. When me say the man bad and mad, wickedest thing. Cause from me born till now, the man they make music very consistent. I shall not give away my age, but me I tell you, so from me born till now, the man they make music. You understand? Up ninja man, up, way up, brother. This man, way up. Cause me not tell a lie, my brother. Me a man me I follow you for a little while still. Cause you see interesting people, me rate them. But I like if you say me interesting too. Me not lie. Big up yourself, ninja. Big up. So yeah, we just there upon some old school vibes, you see me? Ninja man thing where I big up, you see me? And one more thing, while me upon this right now, Zin. But just I go and big up Ninja man and the good work that he's doing in the communities out there. And the no gun initiatives. You understand? Even taking away the tie gun them like them little guns. Because if the gun them can blind a man, you know, it's still technically a gun still, you know. Because if you can lick out somebody else picking your eye, my youth, you have to mind them things around the neighborhood because you can't buy back your eye. A shop, you see me on a fish eye, you know. So yes, one love to all my people out there, you know what I mean? Yes, big up, and all of the people who rate Ninja man, there's a reason why I rate him, you know, man. Remember say I'm working, you know, man. You understand? The man they clash everybody in a bridging. You understand? The man they are the perfect, you see me, clash MC. You know what I mean? If people kind of lose when I say, when you're Jamaican, you don't know it's a DJ still. But me just like say MC, because master of ceremony. Ninja man's a master of the ceremony. The man they know him I do. You understand when they come to show? You understand what I'm saying? And right now, boy, me a tease a little thing, you know, because I love to see a ninja and merciless clash. Me not lie still. Because I come like a two of them up to having fun still. So yeah, me see a little clash and engage Mercy in strike, but you don't know more see another clash. Me not lie still for decide what really are going. So yeah, Ninja, big up yourself here, yeah, so. Respect on the good work where you do. And you know what, Ninja man, you should be a TV presenter, brother. A TV presenter. You understand in your age and your wisdom and your experience where you have now, and still a veteran of the road. You understand, my brother? You should be like a presenter. But what you're doing, your work are good. You understand? In proper English, your work is good, my brother. Yeah, man. Very, very good. Up. Slap way. Dash way. Yo. I just want to hear Ninja man say, yo, him big and him bad and he's known and he's appreciated and a lie. But they are foreign right now. And right now, you mention certain artists name and people don't know them. Say Ninja man, you see something. Say Yellow man, you see something. Say Shabba Rankin, you see something. But now I go on like everybody now say something, you know. But them man they known, like you would say a Bob Marley, or a Dennis Brown, or a Horace Andy, you see me? Or a Chronix, you know what I mean? Or a Protege, them man they just as known. And them man they born way before them youth there. So yeah, me Ninja man, a big up here, yeah, so anyway you there, keep yourself good. Anybody around Ninja man, look after him here, yeah, so the man there is a history book in itself, a walking around legend. And that enough man don't know, you know. You see me? And them little features them when dropping at the movie them man mad. And I lie, dada. You understand? I got full respect for them man there road. Them man is like them big man the one me rate what carry me up in the street, cause me's a man grew up, you see me? Me have my father, but them man there, you know him do him things still. Me see him when me see him, you know? So in them meantime, they know, you know, me around the big man them, you see me? So a big man them like Ninja man them used to all tell me say, yo, stay away from guns, you know. Cause some people must feel say them thing they're hard for do. Them thing they're not hard for do. It's too easy. And them big man they say too easy as youth. Youth easy yourself. You understand what I mean? If you're a DJ. You understand what I mean? And if a bad man thing just deal with it bad. You see me? But anyway, every man do them thing them own way still, you see me? And them man there's a self-style boss. A big man a road. You understand? Right now, you understand me like the little award them where everybody decides that they want to get Ninja still. You understand? Me see you hold up a little award now, you think them, my brother. Up on your awards, you hear that? And me like you like a little awards them will mean something to you more than some big award. Where some people might want to take you for fool. So big up yourself here, yeah, so. Enough manners and respect to every Jamaican out there, every Jamaican youth. You understand? Just try and get yourself a phone and film everything where you see a Jamaica. Remember me tell you that. Shoot everything. You know when you shoot everything where you become, you know, you become a film. A film man. A movie maker. You understand? An interviewer. You understand what I mean? And when you show people what them not see, them want to see them something there. So all them things that when Ninja show, bless you, my brother, car. You make me see what going on in my country. You see me? Me love knowing what going on in my country. You understand? Me like knowing what going on in my country, Bridget. You understand? Big up Jamaica. Big up yourself. You understand? Know your strength, know your power. You understand me, people? I see them way so them man make me feel all inspired and them thing there. Just want to see them way pass that inspiration to the younger youth them same way. You know what I mean? And hopefully when me a big man respect me like how you respect Ninja Man still. No youth not for this Ninja, John no star. You understand? Because I feel say them man they will reason with you. You understand? I just saw me pray. You understand? Real recognize real. You understand? A long time me out in the street. You understand what I mean? Yeah. I just do my thing. You understand? Me as an artist. Me draw a picture of anybody. You understand? Paint picture of anybody. A man might think a joke me I make. You understand what I mean? So, my next video I'm going to show a little bit of artwork and thing. You see me? But if people think it's a joke anyway, check me out. Saucer Edwards Instagram. You see me? Yeah man, the Saucer Edwards Instagram. Check out little artwork. And me upload. So, it's kind of new still. So, yeah. But they still not fought the same way. Yeah man. So all of the artists them out there shout out. Big up on yourself. You understand? You them out there have life hard. Big up on yourself. You know go always hard. You see me? Just put in the work, you see me? And right now I just try to put in some work myself. So I'm just big up on yourself here, yeah, so. Enough love, cause enough boy don't know about chicken back, you know. Cause man arrest no man even deal with the foul right now. Still know about the chicken back, you see me, my young. Still know about the you understand? The cow foot and bean and them thing there and them sticky thing that to Rasta face now work out. But you don't know them thing that they have to survive while me did need it, you see me? So I just over and out, you see me? Big up Ninja. You understand? Way out. Legend.